Thought for the day. Children whose family members read newspapers or books in their presence are twice as likely to develop a tendency to acquire knowledge. Labour Party's Andy Burnham becomes Britain's 59th Prime Minister. 1. Labour Party leader Andy Burnham has become the 59th Prime Minister of Britain. He assumed office after meeting King Charles III at Buckingham Palace in London. He has succeeded Keir Starmer, the 56-year-old Burnham, as Britain's 7th Prime Minister in the last 10 years. 2. The Drug Controller General of India has approved the country's first dengue vaccine, QDENGA. It has been developed by the Japanese pharmaceutical company Takeda. It is intended for individuals aged 4 to 60 years. Prior testing to determine if a person has previously contracted dengue will not be required before vaccination. It will be administered in 2 doses over a period of 3 months. India accounts for 1/3 of the world's dengue cases. 3. The National Stock Exchange, NSE, has launched the Electronic Gold Receipts, EGRs, segment. This will make gold trading more transparent and organized. EGRs are demat securities backed by physical gold. This gold will be stored in SEBI-recognized vaults. Investors will be able to trade these EGRs on the exchange and also convert them into physical gold. 4. The Karnataka government has decided to introduce AI as a skill-based subject instead of a third language in 1,652 government high schools across the state, starting from the 2026-27 academic year. This scheme will be implemented under the National Skills Qualification Framework. The government will appoint guest teachers specializing in AI for this purpose. 5. The NHAI has launched the Marg Mitra AI Health Center. It will serve as a single-window platform for travelers on national highways. Travelers can register their issues by speaking or writing in any of the 22 Indian languages. Additionally, the NHAI has introduced a digital local pass facility on the Rajmarg Yatra app for residents living within a 20 km radius of toll plazas. 6. OpenAI has appointed Uday Rudraraju, an Indian origin professional, as the new CEO of its compute division. He previously worked at Elon Musk's company, Eki, and joined OpenAI in July 2025. He holds a degree in computer science engineering from the Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology in Hyderabad. He will now build data centers and computing infrastructure for AI models such as GPT 5.6. 7. Faculty Development Program, FDP, on The Joyful Educator, begins today. A 3-day faculty development training program is being organized at MCU with the aim of fostering a joyful personality in educators. The university's Rekhi Center of Excellence for the Science of Happiness is conducting this faculty development program, themed The Joyful Educator, Experiential Wellbeing and Applied Positive Psychology, from July 22 to 24 at the conference hall of the university's Nalanda Library. Program Coordinator Assistant Professor Manisha Verma stated that Dr. Srihari Krishna, Professor of Practice at the Rekhi Foundation, and Dr. Ritu Sharma will participate as expert trainers in the event.